White supremacists assert that there exist biological differences between the races for intelligence. They point to graphs like the one showed here, depicting IQ scores by country. They weaponize these graphs to suggest that Africans are less intelligent than Europeans. This grossly misunderstands how IQ is measured, what it's actually representing, and the true causal factors of IQ differences across the globe. Studies have consistently shown that environment, not inherited biological differences, explain the overwhelming majority of difference in measured intelligence. Let's walk through several of these studies. So first, Bates et al. In 2013 showed that the variance in intelligence was positively correlated with childhood socioeconomic status, leading them to conclude that, quote, genetic effects on intelligence were compatible with a complete dependence on socioeconomic status for their manifestation. So how much can genetics explain differences in cognition among all humans? A massive genome-wide association study of 1.1 million people, they found no evidence for a genetic difference in cognition between blacks and whites. Many studies have dug into factors that contribute to intelligence measures, such as IQ, and found that biological factors can easily be overcome by just changing the environment. This study showed that children that were in the foster care system showed significantly improved IQ compared to those in similar situations, but that were not removed from the home. If IQ were solely a biological measure, as white supremacists assert, no change in the environment should be able to improve it. The first, by Klein et al., write that, quote, our work suggests that socioeconomic status continues to be a key determinant of black-white test score gaps, which is often underappreciated in current education discussions. Lastly, this study found a strong positive correlation between racial socioeconomic disparity, shown on the x-axis, and test score gaps between whites and blacks on the top panel and whites and Hispanics on the bottom. Study after study have shown that IQ scores are not innate biological measures, but are capturing the socioeconomic status of the individual and their family.